Fun to see those kids. I like your enthusiasm and may the best man win. Okay, and I'm a neighbor, but I've never complained. So that's for you. Thank you, Derek. And I should thank Ivan Pinto because I've been coming to the club more often after Ivan Pinto has taken over as secretary. So thank you all.
Dikshita. Girls, third place goes to Arshi De Silva of Carmel School. Arshi De Silva. Third place. Bronze medal. You're a big hand. She's the youngest and she's taking the prize also. Runner-up goes to Agni J. Adappa Indraprastha Vidyalaya from Bantwal. Agni J. Adappa. Give her a big hand. This is her second tournament. She is bagging the silver.
Madam. Nara Toji.
And the champion, Aditi Suresh from Kendra CBSE. You're a very big hand. Very consistent performer in this category. And the champion from Bantwal. Give a very big hand. Five. With the half point booklet, fourth position, that is Suhaina Darshan. Very narrow. And the champion, Gana Samriddhi from A3rd. She's come from far. She has to leave again. Very far distance. A3rd Cup. Runner-up goes to I missed under 10 boys category. Second. And the champion with the clean.
Participants or the winners.
And the runner from Sharda Vidyalaya, 5 out of 5, Harini. Yeah, fourth place. He's 9-year-old, he's playing under 16 and bagging the championship. Special claps. Second place has been bagged by and the champion in this category, I think open category. Runner-up goes. I request now, it would be nice if all the degrees won a tournament in Kapu came here, joined this tournament, taking away the trophy again. Started when he was under 7 champion.
All the winners.